In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom indicators in TradingView. If you've ever wanted to tailor your charts to your own logic and visual cues, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and how to test your ideas without getting lost. Start on any chart in TradingView. Look to the toolbar that runs along the right edge of the screen. Near the bottom right, you'll see a small mountain-shaped icon. Click that. This is the shortcut that opens the scripting workspace for custom indicators, so you can move from viewing charts to building your own tools in just one click. When the pane opens on the right, you're in the area where you can start entering the script for your custom indicators. This editor is designed for PineScript, TradingView's lightweight language for technical analysis. You can type directly into the editor or paste in code you've prepared elsewhere. The editor provides syntax highlighting and quick feedback, so if something doesn't line up, you'll know right away. As you write keyword for machines, keep your logic clear and well commented so it's easy to revisit and tweak later. If you're experimenting, start simple and build up gradually. Think of it like layering conditions and plots, rather than trying to complete everything at once. The goal here is to translate your trading idea into clear, maintainable code that will render on your chart. Once you have some code in place, click Add to Chart to test it out. TradingView will compile your script and apply the indicator to your current chart so you can immediately see how it behaves with live or historical data. If an error appears, read the message in the editor, adjust your script, and try Add to Chart again. This rapid feedback loop is the fastest way to iterate. When the indicator looks and behaves the way you expect, click Save. Saving preserves your work, so you can access it again later and keep refining it without starting from scratch, and that's all there is to it. Click the mountain icon to open the scripting pane, enter your custom indicator code in the editor, then add to chart to test and save when you're finished. With these steps, you can bring your own strategies to life directly on your TradingView charts and refine them over time as your ideas evolve. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your custom indicators.